Welcome to How Tuesday at Lori's Country Cottage. My name is Lisa. Join me as I talk about precuts. What are they and how do we use them? So what are precuts and why do we use them? Well, the four most common types of precuts are fat quarters, charm squares, jelly rolls, and layer cakes. Those terms were actually coined by the Moda fabric company, and they talk about their precuts. Some of the other precuts have different names, and I'll go through those when I go through each one of them separately. So why would you want to use precuts anyway? Well, there's a couple reasons that you'd want to do that. First of all, it saves time. If you choose a pattern that is written for a layer cake or a charm square, they're already cut for you. So it's a time-saving feature. Also, often there's no waste. If it's written for a layer cake, most often it'll use the full 10-inch square of your layer cake. One of the most popular reasons for using precuts is that you get a wide variety of fabrics from the fabric line, and all of those fabrics are coordinated. Whether it's a charm pack or a layer cake, you'll see that you get at least one fabric from all the fabrics in the line. If the line doesn't contain 40 or 42 different fabrics, you often get a repeat. So that's what precuts are. Now let's go through each one individually and I'll explain what it is and why you would use it. All right, let's talk about fat quarters. First, what is a fat quarter? Well, it's a quarter of a yard of fabric. If you go into a quilt shop and you purchase a quarter of a yard of fabric, you're getting 9 inches by the 42 or 44 inches. So that's a quarter yard. But if you purchase a fat quarter, so here's a yard of fabric, and if I open it up, it's about 44 by the 36 inches. And if I cut it in 4 down the middle both ways, I get a fat quarter yard. So it's a quarter yard, but it's fat instead of long and skinny. And so why would I want to use fat quarters anyway? Well, lots of patterns are written for fat quarters. The cutting instructions assume that you have that size, and so it's using the best use of the fabric, and you'll have less waste. It also is a great way to showcase larger prints. If you have a skinny, narrow piece and you're cutting strips and small squares, you're cutting up your pattern. If you use a fat quarter, sometimes you can fussy cut your design for that fat quarter too. It's also a better use of fabric for 5 and 6 inch squares. This is only 9 inches. You can only get one strip of 5 inch or 6 inch squares out of this strip. You would need to buy more fabric. Fat quarters come in bundles, coordinates, sometimes in color families like these Kona solids, and often companies will take their whole fabric line and give you one fat quarter of each fabric. And it just gives you that great variety. When we get fabric in at the store, we often cut fat quarter bundles so that you have that great variety of fabric. Fat quarters are convenient. The bundles are convenient. You don't have to wait for cutting. And it's also good for small projects. And as I said, it's very common these days to have patterns written for fat quarters. Yellow Brick Road is a really popular pattern. It's a great beginner pattern, and the number of fat quarters that you use determines the size of your quilt. Prime time is also a very popular pattern. You can use layer cakes, charm squares, or fat quarters to build prime time. All right, let's move on to the next pre-cut. Let's talk about jelly rolls. Again, jelly roll is the term that was coined by Moda, and so they actually look like a roll. But you can also get bally pops and strip sets from other companies. The important thing to know is that they're all 2.5-inch strips pre-cut. Most of the packs will have 40 to 42 strips in them. And why you want to use them, again, they're all coordinated. Quite often, all you need to do is buy a background fabric and some binding. You may even be able to use the strips as binding for your project. You save time because they're pre-cut, and usually very little waste because the pattern is written for 40 to 42 strips. Don't forget about jelly roll rugs too. They're a great way to use jelly rolls. So No Rules is a great pattern. Beyond the Horizon is a great pattern. It's got 2 background fabrics, but you can see how the jelly roll provides all of that contrast and the dynamic colors for your quilt. And there's another quilt using jelly rolls. Again, you just need the background fabric and you've got Jelly Sticks quilt all done. It's important to note that you do not wash your jelly roll strips. It will distort them and your quilt will not turn out successful. So those are jelly rolls, and they're a great way to save time and have great coordinating fabrics for your project. Up next are layer cakes and charm squares, and you'll see right away why I put them together. Layer cake, again, is the term coined by Moda, but you'll find they are 10-inch squares, so you'll find Island Boutique and Timeless Treasures package theirs differently, but they're all 10-inch squares. And again, you get that variety of fabric from a line. So you'll see all the different fabrics. Sometimes they're repeated because there aren't 40 or 42 fabrics in a line, and all of your fabrics will coordinate. Again, patterns are written for 10-inch squares, so you have no waste. You save time because they're pre-cut for you. And you can also get layer cakes in plain colors. There are lots of patterns written for layer cakes where you would purchase one printed layer cake and then one plain layer cake, usually in white or black, sometimes gray, and the pattern is written to use it that way. Why did I put charm squares with layer cakes? Well, if you find a pattern written for charm squares, you can take a layer cake, which remember is a 10-inch square. If you cut it in 4, you've got 4 charm packs. Most patterns written for charm packs need multiple charm packs because there are only 40 to 42 5-inch squares in a charm pack. Prime time, again, I keep coming back to this pattern because it's so popular. You can use either layer cakes or charm squares when you are making prime time. So why would I want to buy this? 10-inch squares, I could buy 10-inch strips of fabric. Well, you sure could. To get 40 10-inch squares, you would have to buy 10 10-inch strips of fabric, but you'd only have 10 different fabrics. Here, you're going to have probably 18 to 20, maybe 25, even up to 30 different fabrics in here. So you get the great variety and the visual excitement of having all those different patterns in your project. Again, don't pre-wash layer cakes or charm squares. It'll distort the fabric and you won't have a successful project. In general, precuts are great if you don't have a big fabric stash. It gives you lots of variety of fabrics and they can be used for large or small projects. Here are some ways to store your precuts. This is a fat quarter bag and I just pulled mine out from my shelf. This is what it looks like. Your fat quarters are all folded and they stay protected from dust from your sewing room. So there's a fat quarter bag. And you can also purchase a jelly roll box. So your jelly rolls unroll in here, and there's nice little flaps that keep them flat if you want to transport them or keep them organized in your sewing room. Precuts are great for saving you time, giving you a variety of fabric. Quilt shops don't often order full lines of fabric, so that's a way for you to get all the fabrics in a line. You get lots of variety, lots of colors. They're easy to store at home, and you can dream up all kinds of projects to do with the precuts that you buy. So whether you enjoy fat quarters, layer cakes, jelly rolls, or charm squares, they're all convenient and easy for you to use. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed learning about precuts, layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm squares, and fat quarters. Whichever you choose to use, you know that they're convenient and they give you a great array of fabrics for your projects. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the little bell to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thanks for joining me today.